In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a picture-in-picture effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Picture-in-picture, or PIP, lets you show a smaller video on top of your main footage, which is perfect for tutorials, reactions, and commentary. I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain what each setting does, and share a few simple tips to keep everything clean and professional. First, bring your two clips into the project panel. The main video is the one that will fill the screen, and the secondary video is the one you want in the smaller window. You can import by dragging files straight from your computer into the project panel or by using the standard import command. Take a moment to confirm both clips look correct and are ready to use. Next, place the clips on the timeline, drag your main video onto video track 1, then drag the secondary clip onto video track 2 directly above it. Stacking them this way ensures the smaller window appears on top of the main footage. If your timeline has audio you don't need from the secondary clip, you can mute that track, but otherwise just focus on the video layers for now. Click to select the secondary clip on track 2 so it's highlighted. With it selected, open the Effect Controls panel. If you don't see it, go to the Window menu and choose Effect Controls. This panel is where you'll adjust how the secondary clip appears on screen. Under the Motion section in Effect Controls, reduce the scale to shrink the clip to the size you want for the PIP window. Many people find somewhere around 25 to 35% works well, but choose what fits your project. Then, use position to move the smaller video to a corner or any area that keeps your subject matter clear. Watch the edges and try to avoid covering important parts of the main video. If your program monitor shows safe margins, use them to keep the window neatly inside the frame. If you want a more polished look, add a border. Open the Essential Graphics panel and create a rectangle. Set the fill to none, turn on stroke, pick a color that contrasts nicely, and increase the stroke width to taste. Position and scale the rectangle so it frames your PIP window. Alternatively, if your workflow allows, you can apply a stroke directly to the secondary clip using available effects. Preview your timeline, fine-tune the scale and position, and you're done. That's your clean, professional picture-in-picture effect.